Hi.
What are we making today?
I think we're gonna cook the beets.
Beets. That's right. And who are they for?
For Laurie.
Yes, because beets have a lot of iron, and I need lots of iron in my diet.
Okay, we're gonna wash it. Gonna take all this.
Take all this out. Oh, you clean it nice. Look, if it's nice and green.
See over here too.
Over here. Oh, okay, so that means it's nice and fresh. So when you buy them, buy the fresh ones.
Because sometimes it's all mushy
And it's
and black.
and black. Don't buy it. Okay. So you only use 3 beets?
Yeah, that's what yeah. Dopo you're gonna peel.
Oh, you have to peel them too?
Yeah, I peel it. Take all the... Take the skin.
Then you dice them. Take all the icky parts out.
That's right. All the skin. So this one is a little bit... This is too hard. Maybe. Good.
And then?
Gonna rinse. I'll rinse anyway.
Rinse it again.
With some water.
Cold water.
Yeah.
And it has to cover the beets?
Yeah, because I have to boil for, I don't know, maybe 10, 15 minutes.
Okay. Does the fork have to go through it? That's how you
That's
know it's done? Okay. So bring to a boil. And then when you can put the fork through it nicely, it means it's done. See if it's done.
Oh yeah, that's water done. See? I think so. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Goes through nicely.
See?
Oh, perfect. And we drain.
Where's the fork? See?
Oh, yeah. Oh. Nice. Perfect.
We'll let it cool down for
Okay.
maybe 10, 15 minutes. Then we're gonna fix it.
Okay. Good. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit salt. I think that's what I put last time.
Garlic salt. You don't have garlic salt, just use garlic powder and
Yeah.
salt.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some more garlic. Let us see, chopping it, I think it's okay. Parsley?
So you don't use a lot of garlic.
No, just a little bit. Because it's not that much.
Yeah. Chop some parsley.
Some olive.
Oh, look how pretty.
I'm gonna put oil.
Olive oil.
I should measure.
No, I just see how you do it.
Yeah. Maybe I can measure.
Let's measure.
Because you start to ask me after. How much? Okay. You don't have to put that much. Okay, that's enough.
2 tablespoons.
Oh, we need some vinegar.
Vinegar, white wine vinegar.
Just that? No, that's red.
Red. Oh, you want white?
Yeah, I have. Maybe just that. Maybe that's it. Just a tasty. Let's see. We'll see what happens.
Oh, just a tablespoon.
Maybe.
Mix everything together.
Okay, tasty.
Taste. Okay, give me a fork. Okay, here I go. I'm going to taste it.
It's good or not?
Yes, nice and simple. No, you're going to try one?
You
Give
don't-
one to Nonno.
The salt is good?
Yep.
Okay, that's good.
Good Nonno?
Yeah.
What did you used to say about these beets in Italy?
You know, what I remember, we used to give to the pig.
To eat? You guys would never eat it?
No.
Oh my God, these are so healthy for you. They
I
are
think
so
we
high in
eat.
high in
Don't put
iron.
inside. Especially
Yeah. It's very high in iron. That's why it's very good for you. So no more giving it to the pigs.
That's why they're good.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it inside here.
Okay. Very good, Nonna. Thank you. I'm gonna be high in iron this week. No more low counts. Yummy.
Yeah, but this, they look good.
And they taste good too.
They taste good. Yeah.